Fast tutorial for Capcut. This is how to show horizontal lines and vertical lines and rulers. So this is helpful for your videos if you're editing and you want to center your video just right. And you also have some rulers so you can see the height and the width and all that stuff in case you need it for your video. So where is it at in Capcut? And I'm going to show you where that's at right now because they don't make it really clear. Let's jump into the program and let's check out how we find that stuff. Okay, so we have our video on our timeline, and what we want to do is we're going to go up to the player. On the player, we're going to have these three lines that they don't say anything, they're just up there. All right, so in here, once we hover our cursor on those three lines, we're going to click on it, and you can see that we have color oscilloscope, which is something else I can show you on a different video. But here we are, we have guides and rulers. Okay, so this first one we can add a horizontal line, so let's do that. So you see we have a blue horizontal line, so you know that that's centered. Okay, but we can also add vertical line. Okay, so now you can see this vertical line. This is very useful for your videos. But not only that, once we have those two things, we can also bring up our rulers. Okay, so we have a ruler guide. Now that we clicked it, you can see it on the left and on the top. We have a ruler that's going to help you make your adjustments for your video. So there is, if you don't need it anymore and you want to shut it off, all you really have to do is go here to clear guides. Okay, and that takes it away. And if you want to get rid of the rulers, we're just going to go to hide rulers, and that gets rid of that, and you're kind of back to the default. So there it is, guys. I hope you found that useful. Please consider giving it a thumbs up, and hey, leave me some comments. And hey, by the way, you want to see more Capcut editing videos, go check out this video right here. I'll see you.